it's Wesleyan with Let's Go Keto, and today we're doing chocolate chip cookies. Let's go! Okay, so here's the keto chocolate chip cookie recipe. You're going to start with almond flour, and I just put everything in a mixing bowl. There's 2 cups, and I just mix it up all together. Here is a half a cup of the swerve brown and a 1/4 cup of allulose. And I use a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Here's 1 egg, and I went ahead and whisked and beat up the egg. Use a spatula. And then here's a stick of melted butter, but it's already cooled, so it won't cook that egg there, you know. If it was too hot, then it would start scrambling your egg. And then I do a teaspoon of vanilla. And I wait till the very end to put my chocolate chips in. So here's everything. I just dumped it all in. And I go to my stand mixer. And I like to use the paddle attachment. So it would just make a cookie dough form here in just a little bit. That looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to put a half a cup of, and I use Lily's semisweet baking chips. There are no sugar added. So half a cup of those. And I do just a slow stir. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, and then we'll get set up and we'll put them out on the cookie tray. Okay, we're ready to scoop the cookies, and I use my smallest cookie scoop. So, get to scooping, and I use it on a parchment paper onto a cookie sheet. Then what I do is I get a glass, and I've sprayed it with a little avocado oil, and I just press them down a little. This is just to make them look pretty. You can put a couple of little chocolate chips on top. Especially ones that don't look like they have too many. So that just needs 1. Alright, that's pretty good. Alrighty. So we're going to bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes at 325. And then we'll come back. Okay, here's my daughter Adeline. And she's going to try the chocolate chip cookies. We just got them out of the oven a while back. So they're nice and cooled. And they baked for 12 minutes. So pick one out.
Wait.
Any
There's
one.
2 trays, wait.
Yeah, go ahead and pick any one you want.
Oh. I want this one.
Okay.
And? Yeah. Yeah, that's the best cookie I ever tasted.
Awesome. Well, thank you.